Hi everyone, so I'm Ben and I decided to create this first video to briefly introduce myself and explain what I plan to do here on this channel. So I grew up in France and I am a research scientist working in satellite remote sensing. So basically I use satellite data to retrieve information about things like wildfires or cloud composition. I completed my PhD in atmospheric science in France in 2009, then moved to the US, where I work as a NASA affiliate for 12 years. During that time, I focused on studying clouds. After that, I joined where I now work on fire detection projects. So that's a bit about me. Long story short, just to give you some context about my background. So what do I want to do on this channel? I believe the best way to learn something new, like a programming language such as Python, is to have a clear goal or a project in mind. So here I will be sharing some of the projects I'm working on. This could be professional, work-related projects or personal science projects. For example, right now I'm working on a project to detect solar panel farms using satellite imagery. I will walk you through how I'm doing that, and I'm open to collaborating with anyone interested in this kind of work. I will also talk about some of the projects I worked on at NASA, like how I use machine learning to detect clouds and classify them as either ice or liquid clouds, for instance. As I mentioned, I also have a few personal projects. A new project is actually this YouTube channel. Another personal project is a website I built from scratch called moonbooks.org. I will put a link in the description. So the main goal of that website was to teach myself new tools like HTML, CSS. So over time it became a place where I post my own notes and tutorials. Eventually the idea is to turn it into a platform where others could create and share their own open notebooks. I also plan to use this site to post some courses and projects. It's still a work in progress, not quite ready yet, but feel free to register if you are curious or want to support the project. So to be transparent, this site costs me a bit over $200 right now per month to run, including hosting, SSL certificates, and other services. I initially thought about using Google Ads to help cover the cost, but I didn't really like how it looked on the website. So instead, I set up a membership option. I'm not really a fan of monthly subscriptions where you lose access once you stop paying. So I've decided that after a certain number of months, or if you contribute a one-time amount, you will get lifetime access to the site. That could evolve over time, but I think it's a fair model for now. Again, feel free to register if you want to contribute. Also, if I find a small group of motivated people who wants to work on the platform, I will be happy to share the source code privately via GitHub. So that's it for this video. In the next one, I will probably introduce a new project and show you, for example, how to download satellite data. Hopefully, some of you will find these ideas interesting. If you have any questions, suggestions, or want to collaborate with me, feel free to reach out either through my website or my LinkedIn. I will put all the relevant links in the video description. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.